this short video, we will see how to use the scan inspection function in Trimble Access. So first, I have a scan taken a few weeks ago representing an area of construction. So after some modifications were made on site, I performed the same scan of that same area. In Layer Manager, I can display both scans. So here's the second one. I can turn off the original here to see the second. So we can observe any changes that we see made to the terrain. For now, we will focus on the first scan as the reference scan. So I'm just going to turn that one off in the Layer Manager and close it. And we are going to open the Surface Inspection feature under the COGO menu. So we need to give it a name. We can just say scan 1. So our method will be scan to scan, and our reference scan is going to be scan 002_1, as you see, and the selected scans being the scan 0002. And then we have a color scale to choose. You can use cut fill, negative deviation, positive deviation, rainbow, rainbow segmented, or transparent. So I'm just going to select cut fill, and I will press calculate down here. So it computes it. We can see that the actual rain shear, the minimum is 0, and the maximum of 0.419 meters. So I can actually see that visually here in the red area, and if I click on it, I can get the distance that it's deviated by in that specific area, also with its northings, eastings, and elevations of that specific point. I can also change that to see rainbow, perhaps, so a different visualization. Press calculate. Still produces the same results, but just a bit of a different visualization. So again, I can click around in here and see what the distance may be. I can deselect and then choose another spot. And you can see that distance changes as it hasn't deviated as much in certain areas as others. And then you can change positive deviation. Shows it nice and clearly. Negative deviation, not as easy to spot. So in this situation, the positive deviation, probably the best bet, but as you can see, there's different color scales to look at, and it's really easy to see where any change has occurred in this construction site. And that concludes the surface inspection feature for our scans in Trimble Access. Thank you.